Send her upstairs to change out of a bleach-stained t-shirt. She comes back down in what? A bleach-stained t-shirt.
Because I don't care. Are you looking at my shirt? No. Oh, look.
Yeah, get out of there. Okay, well, you need to stop because you get here and you get here.
Obviously, it's not done his way, so... Okay, dear, where's the snacks? Snacks. So we were downtown today and we got some dried monkey testicles.
We went to the EJOY Market. See here, or over here.
Are you doing that?
And yes, I did do that if you would stay here with me.
I mean, are you putting that in the video?
Yes, that's why I went here and here.
No, I mean technically, are you putting that in the video because I'm not doing it for you?
So we went to the EJOY Market downtown Halifax, which was super cool. And I bought a bunch of cool snacks for Deborah to try, but she has no idea what they are.
It's like a grab bag with salt.
So we're gonna try them.
No, we're not.
Do not put this in.
I'm not an alcoholic.
Let's get back to our show. So would you shut up for a second so I can say something? So we went to the EJOY Market downtown Halifax, and I grabbed a bunch of snacks that Deborah did not see what I grabbed, including this cool surprise bag. So Deborah has agreed that no matter what comes out of the surprise bag, she is going to try it.
I'll eat it, even if it's dried monkey testicles.
Let's see what is in the surprise bag, plus some other things that I bought for Deborah to try. So these are the easy ones. These look like some kind of
It's something of an Oreo.
cookie thing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try these. It says pillows, snack on party size.
Wow, the branding is awesome.
It says it's high in fat and not sugar, which could be a good thing.
No.
Give me a second to get it open here.
Would you like a bowl?
Yes, let's put it in the bowl so we show them. Get a bowl. Have a wait.
Is that thing white?
I mean, yes, because it will show off the food. It's full of racist. They look like this. It looks super cool.
It looks like cereal.
It does. It looks like an Oreo.
Well, they probably all come from the same factory. This is the leftover from Oreos.
Really good. Okay, grab another bowl. This is called, I think it's Oshi, but it's potato fries, and they're just plain and salted.
Yeah, that's called potato chips.
Well, this is what I want to see, so we're going to find out what they're like.
You can't mess up potato chips. There's only something. Would you like me to do it here?
Yes, dear.
Oh, they look like frozen French fries.
They look like French fries.
Okay.
They had a bunch of different flavors with us, too, to try, but I grabbed the plain ones, the salted ones, just for us to try. But those are good.
I can eat those.
Super, super good. This big, beautiful grab bag was like $11. And it's got apparently
Dried monkey testicles.
7 or 8 different things inside of it. So we're going to cut it open and see what they're like inside. But this is such a cool little gift to give to someone as well. Like, it's a complete little surprise bag. So, cut it open down.
This is everything that was left over, swept off the factory floor. They put it in here. It's an easy
Oh my
sell.
God, it's like super, super cool with all kinds of different things. Look. So hang on 1 second.
You saw it. You
I
opened
know,
it.
but you're going to pull one out. We're not going to read it. We're going to try it first, and then we're going to see what it is.
Okay, lovely.
They're
Dried
what you
monkey
like.
testicles.
Okay, so here. Take one out.
Oh, now I can.
You can take one out. Don't look at it. Give me it.
I mean, I can't read that. It's not. It's not in the Englishes. See, you can't either. It's just Chinese, crispy. That's it.
Okay, we're going to get a big plate. We'll try these. I have no idea what this is. It looks good. What's big green ham is? Give me a
It's some
second.
kind of a corn product.
I want to show. So this is what it is. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks. There's a burger in here though. What? A burger? Look. It might be a spicy oat noodle. Or, no, maybe it's a spicy wheat strip. There's could be a spicy wheat strip. It could be, but it's really good though.
That's not bad. I like these.
Yeah, those are really good. Okay. Cut. Okay, Deborah, reach in and grab another one.
You know what you could do? Just dump them.
Okay. Oh my God, there's a ton of them.
What is? See, dried monkey testicle.
Stop. Okay, here a second. Do we have anything that's the same?
Yeah,
that's the same.
These are crispy
Okay,
strips.
well, we tried that one.
Okay,
So
fine.
there's 2 of this one. There's 2 of this one. See, I want to turn them upside down so you don't get a chance to see them, but we're going to shake it. 2 of that one. That is the same.
Okay, whatever this is, it's ew.
Deborah, you promised me whatever we put on this bag.
Sure,
you
I
were gonna
will,
try.
but like
Okay, I don't know if these are all the same. Like they're like.
Well, it looks like they're in the same package.
Let's start with this.
That doesn't feel right through the package.
Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so we're gonna try this.
No, that's chips.
It looks like some kind of.
Oh, noodle sticks. Spicy. It's got.
I don't think it's noodle sticks.
What? It feels like a noodle.
This is gonna be a long episode. Ooh, here we go.
Here we cut this out. It's called editing.
It looks like little tiny.
This has got to be the noodle things. This feels wrong.
Oh, it's spicy though. It's good though, but I will say, I'm not a fan of the texture. The flavor is really good, but the texture. No. This one,
We gotta go, Nay.
not for me.
Oh my god.
Since there's a ton of these, they all look the same. There's like 6 of these in here.
What kind of throw these away?
We're gonna try this. Oh, look! Oh, it's
Oh
popcorn.
my god. You can't screw up popcorn.
It's a popcorn.
You can't screw up popcorn.
It's so spicy from that stuff though.
You can't screw up popcorn.
Oh, look, a caramel popcorn.
You can screw up popcorn.
No, you can't. This is really good. But it's like it's not like a.
This tastes like popcorn at Paris Disney.
This is really good because it's got a nice light flavor caramel.
You can screw up popcorn.
Yeah, that was good.
That was not.
Oh, I like it. There's
Good.
nothing wrong with what. Okay, stop. What did you like about it?
It's got. Remember when we used to eat the pink popcorn as kids? No, it was horrible.
Good stuff.
This is no. This is
I like it though.
This is Paris Disney popcorn, and they messed up popcorn. Oh, we have to try this. Okay, so this is Asian Red Bull, and I'm hoping that this has like some kind of secret ingredient in it. What the hell is that? Oh my god, I haven't seen that gone like this since I was a kid.
It's got a pull tab.
Back in the olden days, kids, our tabs were like this, like on V8 vegetable juice.
Oh my god, that's right. Let's just see what Kevin thinks of this. I have to clean up the next sheet.
Actually, it tastes like Red Bull, but better. It's not as
Oh, it's not as sweetening.
yeah, it's not as sweetening as sweet as Red Bull. We need to see what this Red Bull is going to do.
No, we don't need to open up both. Let's just try one.
Well, I thought it would be like secret Red Bull, like when we went through the desert in
that was.
in Las Vegas, and we had Duff. We have Duff energy drinks for the first time.
If
He
you
drove
can
at
get
186 miles an hour.
Energy drinks. I think they look like this. We'll try to find a picture. We drove through the desert, and I didn't blink for the entire
Wow.
trip. It was insane.
Obviously, you have to pick one.
I know. Pick one.
Okay, sure. Let's get this one over with.
Okay. So get a bowl.
Chinese crispy.
Get a bowl. We're gonna try this one.
See, they're all just variations on the same
It's
thing.
just a different flavor, but this one's very soft. There's not a whole lot of flavor in that.
No, it's got something.
There's a little sweetness to it.
No, it's got something in the back end of it.
I really like this one.
Something on the back end of it. Dried monkey testicles.
Let's go here. This looks interesting.
I'm not eating that.
You promised me you would try everything, and this is what we're doing. This looks like an oat spicy stick.
It looks like uncooked pasta.
It feels like it's squishy. It feels like a noodle.
Yeah, that looks wrong in all kinds of ways.
Well, if there's other things you would like me to get Deborah to try, if she's done, just put the comment below. Oh shoot! I dropped one. Hang on.
Good. It belongs on the floor.
But smell. It does actually does smell good though. You can definitely smell it.
I can't smell anything. You eat
You
it.
can smell like a
Good for
barbecue
you.
flavor.
Lovely. No, you eat it.
Here, we'll do it together. We'll be like, tell me what this and what no. What is
No,
it?
lady in the
Tramp.
tray.
Yeah. Oh, this is perfectly fitting. Ready?
No.
But
Oh.
it's that.
Oh, that's awful. No, there's nothing good about that.
Oh, you know what?
No, you keep it.
The-
I don't like the texture of it. Nope.
Get back here. Actually, the flavor is really, really good though.
No.
The texture is definitely something you're going to acquire to because it's a. I don't know how to describe it, and I'm not sure what it is. So I don't want to say there's anything wrong with it, but the flavor is
It's
really,
some kind
really
of a
good.
pasta, and they just have
It's like a tough doughy.
Yeah.
Like a tough doughy. The flavor is incredible.
Yeah, I would hope so.
We're down to. You guys can go. We tried that one. So yeah, these 3 next. So let's go bag. Something bag.
This looks it has something to do with lime. It's green.
Oh, wow. It looks kind of cute. It's definitely. Oh, it smells nice.
Okay, so it's crunchy lime.
It's like a lime. Yeah, it's like a lime potato chip, but it's good though. Do you like it?
Yeah, I'm not writing home about it.
I bet you the other flavors like this would be kind of cool.
Sure.
This is spicy. We haven't turned this over yet. Look at, but this is what this is. It is a spicy, crispy strip.
That's those things. All that is the leftover these that they got off the floor and they dried them out more. See?
This 1
It
second.
doesn't matter.
That's really good.
Okay, these are livable.
It says spicy, fiery crunch.
Why is it? Why are they all look spicy?
It's flavor. They're not afraid that. Oh, this is really good.
That's really hot.
Try it.
I did already. I don't want it. I don't want it.
It's only.
I already ate one.
Try one more. Great. This is really good. Again, a little spicy if you like a little bit of a bite. All right. Last but not least. Oh, look, it's the same one. But look, it's tomato flavor.
This is a big factory. All of these things are made in the same
Different
place.
color. Look at the different color.
They're all made in the same place.
Okay, last one.
No good.
Very tomatoey though.
Oh, they taste like Ringolos.
Super cool. Pretty good though overall. There's a couple that was like the texture of this one is definitely not for us.
I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10.
I'm gonna go 7.
Good for you.
So stay tuned as we try other cool foods throughout Halifax. If there's things you want us to try and get Deborah to try because she's very fussy, just put the comments below, message us, and we will find them. Super big shout out to EJOY Market. Thank you so much. This was so cool. Peace out.
Hi, Jacob. I think we should take out this wall.